Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Lyromix 230-gallon, outdoor, large resin storage box. There are features include: unmatched 230-gallon capacity. Effortlessly tuck away bulky pool floats, gardening supplies, and patio decor in this 230-gallon large deck box, preserving your outdoor oasis's sleek aesthetic. Weatherproof Guardian. Thick, UV-blocking resin walls transform this waterproof cushion storage bin into a fortress against sun damage, heavy rain, and snow without warping or fading. Safe haven design. The smooth closing hydraulic lid on this outdoor resin patio box prevents accidental slams, while reinforced locking points, lock not included, keep stored items safe. Entertainment-ready surface. Steel-supported flat top converts this large outside storage box into instant party space, hold drinks, plants, or platters effortlessly between storage sessions. Hassle-free mobility. Interlocking panels ensure quick assembly, while side handles allow effortless relocation of this 230-gallon outdoor storage box around pool, patio, or garden areas. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.